So we have four choices, and we need to get w by itself. I'm going to start by moving a number. So I'm going to subtract 9 from both sides, and I have negative 7w on the left, and 8w minus 1, because 8 minus 9 is negative 1. And since I started by moving a number first as my first move, my second move needs to be a move related to a variable term. So I'm going to subtract 8 from both sides, and negative 7w plus negative 8w is negative 15w, and that's equal to negative 1. And 15 and w are connected by multiplication, so I'm going to divide both sides by negative 15. Negative divided by a negative is a positive. So to check my answer, I'm going to go back to my original equation, and negative 7 times 1 over 15, that's an over, equals 8 times 1 over 15 plus 8. And this has lots of messy fractions, but I'm going to tell you that this is the right answer.